one on the fifth one from the front. Okay. Alright. So move that out the way. These are just awesome looking weapons. I gotta give it nice props on the weapon they have made. First one we shot was awesome. Second one, you can get a limit out of everything. Yeah, but it'll frustrate you too. Make sure them mounts are tight. Put your scope in there. Put your brackets on there. Put your screws in there. Just snug them up. Alternate them. You don't want to bend them. This is not a bad factory scope, but hey, part of the fun is putting the optics on it. You're going to shoot this one. You're going to buy this one. This one you soup up, man. Throw the flashlight on it. Throw a laser dot on it. Throw that big gnarly scope on there. Have some fun with it. Don't walk down the street with it though, because somebody might shoot back. Somebody just might shoot back. Because this really is, from what we can tell, that weapon right there's had 500 through it. This one right in 2 days. This one right here, I'm going to go for 500 in 1 day. I'm going to change scopes. I'm going to get this one zeroed in. I'm going to get it zeroed in. Then I'm going to shoot a little bit. This is one of the hardest things in getting your crosshairs straight. But you want to get them straight as you can. You always go back and change them. Just don't get lazy. Change them. Alternate going back and forth. Don't just crank up to one side. You want to turn a little bit on each side, a little bit at a time, so you tighten that bracket up tight both evenly. Because you can crack that too. And then you got another bad day and the manufacturer didn't cost it. And we really are impressed with this weapon right now. So I hope that, and we're going to call it like it is. We'll tell you like it is. We got the washed Crosman pellets. I got a can of washed Crosman pellets. Then I'm going to shoot through it. I washed these last night. It's a can of 500 Crosman pellets, hollow point pellets. This is what we found that has worked best. We shoot some other stuff through them, but they shoot the straightest and the truest through the weapons that we have. Shoot good through the Crosman itself, the Crosman Fury. They shoot good through the Ruger Blackout Elite, the Ruger, the Blackhawk Elite, the Ruger Youth, Blackhawk Explorer, and the Gamble Silent Cat. They shoot truer, holder tighter pattern. So that's our main pellet on this range. And for the Kentucky Air Gunners, for right now that is, because it's the one that has done what we wanted. Okay, we got everything put together right here. I got to say that's pretty gnarly right there. These two bad boys sitting together. They really do look good side by side. Okay, that's straightening it up, putting it together. We'll be on the range.